Hey guys, I'm Molly from All Healthcare Careers. I'm going to be performing step-by-step CNA skills to ensure your success on the CNA clinical skills portion of the exam. Before we get started, I'd like to show you this CNA practice kit that we put together for you to practice at home with family and friends. It will be linked down in the description along with a video breaking down exactly what's inside the kit. Let's get started. Before you enter the patient's room, you will perform hand hygiene, 2 pumps of hand sanitizer. Knocking on the patient's door before entering. Good morning, Mrs. Smith. I'm Molly. I'll be your CNA today. How are you doing?
Good.
Good. Is right now a good time for me to change your sheets?
Sure.
Wonderful. I'm going to close the privacy curtain and then collect my supplies. For this skill today, we are going to need a privacy blanket, a top sheet, a fitted sheet, a pillowcase, and a barrier. Before starting to change the linens, you'll want to assess the patient and the patient's bedding. If you do see soiled linens, make sure to use protective gloves. It's always a good idea to use gloves throughout. I'm going to place the privacy blanket over Mrs. Smith. Then I'm going to take the top cover and her sheet to pull it down to the bottom of the bed. Making sure to maintain Mrs. Smith's privacy and warmth with the blanket. Then I'm going to roll up the dirty linens and put them in the dirty linens. Next, I'm going to have Mrs. Smith turn over to her left side. In doing so, I'm going to have her lift the leg closest to me with her knee bent and her foot placed completely on the bed, and then her other leg farthest away from me, bending her knee just a little bit. Then I'm going to have Mrs. Smith take her arm closest to me up over her chest, and then I'm going to have her take her arm furthest away from me up over her head. And then I'm going to help Mrs. Smith roll over to her side. On the count of 3, Mrs. Smith, we're going to roll to the side. 1, 2, and 3. Perfect. So we're going to remove the dirty linens first. I'm going to take the fitted sheet, remove it from the tops and the bottom corner, and then I'm going to roll the sheet all the way over to Mrs. Smith, tucking it nice and tight underneath her so that when I have her roll back over, I can remove the sheet. I'm going to remove my gloves, and in doing so, assessing the bed, and I don't see any soiled, the bed being soiled, I don't see any fluids, mucus, or vomit. So I know that the bed pad is clean. If you were to see any soiling of the bed, you would want to wash it with soap and water. Next, I'm going to take my fitted sheet. I'm going to completely unfold it from the top to the bottom. And I'm going to take the top corner and place it under, as well as the bottom, making sure that it's nice and tight. With no wrinkles. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll the clean flat sheet, or fitted sheet, underneath Mrs. Smith, tucking it underneath the dirty fitted sheet. And then I'm going to have Mrs. Smith roll back. Hold on one second. On the clean fitted. Then I'm going to go over and I'm going to remove the rest of the dirty fitted sheet, roll this up, and place it in the dirty linens. Taking the new clean fitted sheet, tucking it nice and tightly under each corner, and really smoothing out the edges to make sure that there's no creases and no wrinkles. Mrs. Smith, are you still doing okay?
Yes.
Wonderful. Okay. Then next, I'm going to take my top sheet. I'm going to unfold it. Placing it from the top covering Mrs. Smith all the way to the bottom. And while doing that, you can now remove the privacy blanket. Okay. This is going to go into dirty linens. Then I'm going to straighten up the top sheet. Taking the bottom of the top sheet underneath, lifting it up and tucking it underneath the mattress. You're going to take the corner of the fitted or the flat sheet. You're going to pull it up, tuck the excess top sheet under and back, and fold down to get a nice corner right here. Then you're going to take this excess of the sheet and tuck it under. Now we're going to repeat the same step on this side with pulling the side of the top sheet on top to make a triangle this way, tucking the excess of the top sheet underneath and pulling down. Pull over, and right here you can see a nice fold. Once that is folded, then you're going to tuck under the excess of the top sheet. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to take my hands and just lift the top of the sheet a little bit to give the patient a little bit of wiggle room. We're going to change the pillowcase last. Mrs. Smith, we're going to change your pillowcase out now. So I'm going to help you lift up your head and then remove the pillow. Okay?
Okay.
Wonderful. Removing the old pillowcase, putting that in the dirty linens, with then placing the new pillowcase on the pillow. All right, Mrs. Smith, if you could lift your head up a little bit. Thank you. Perfect. Mrs. Smith, we changed your linens. Is there anything else I can do for you right now?
I don't think so.
Okay. Your call light is within reach, so if you need to get a hold of me, you know how to.
Thank you.
Wonderful. Have a good day.
You too.
As I'm exiting the room, I'm going to perform hand hygiene, 2 hand pumps. We hope you found this video helpful. For additional resources, click the playlist for more CNA skills videos, or try our 3 free-day trial that contains over 1,000 practice questions to ensure your success on the first attempt.